I bet you didn't know that a tennis star could cause such a digital frenzy. Good evening and welcome to a special edition of This Just In, but we don't really understand it. Our top story tonight. The internet is freaking out, and it's all thanks to a certain blonde bombshell. No, not Britney, people. We're talking about tennis star Anna Kournikova, apparently clicking on an email promising hot pics of the sports star unleashes a digital gremlin. This gremlin, dubbed the Anna Kournikova virus, is spreading faster than a bad rumor in a high school cafeteria. Experts are baffled, tech support hotlines are jammed, and grandmas everywhere are convinced their screensavers are now Russian spies. Stay tuned for expert analysis, which will probably just confuse us all further. The virus, which masquerades as an email attachment, has already caused widespread panic. IT professionals are working around the clock to contain the outbreak. Cybersecurity experts are urging everyone to be cautious and not to open suspicious emails. The virus spreads by sending itself to everyone in the victim's address book, making it highly contagious. Conversations about the virus are happening everywhere, from coffee shops to boardrooms. We'll keep you updated as the situation develops. Stay safe and remember, think before you click. Except when you click the like button down there and the subscribe button too. No need to think about that, just do it right now. Meet Jan de Wit, a 20-year-old computer programmer from the Netherlands. Jan was your typical young man, full of dreams and aspirations, but with one particular goal in mind: to win the heart of a girl he admired. Jan, bless his heart, thought it would be a brilliant idea to create a computer virus. Why? Love, of course. He believed that by showcasing his technical skills, he could capture her attention and maybe even her affection, or at least a shot at a date. He was convinced that his programming prowess would make him stand out.
She was really pretty. Her smile was captivating, and her laughter was like music to my ears. Did I say she was hot? I just wanted to show her I was good with computers. I thought if she saw how talented I was, she might give me a chance.
So, with the technical prowess of a bored teenager and the romantic sensibilities of a potted plant, Jan built a virus. He spent countless hours coding, perfecting every line, believing this would be his ticket to her heart. He was awkward, yes, but his determination was unwavering. He poured his heart into this project, hoping it would bridge the gap between them. He named it after Anna Kournikova because, well, she was fit. In his mind, it was a clever nod to something she might find interesting or amusing. Jan never meant any harm. He just wanted to impress a girl. His intentions were pure, even if his methods were misguided. Instead, he unleashed digital chaos upon the world, proving that sometimes love really does bite. His innocent attempt at romance turned into a global incident, a lesson in how even the best intentions can go awry. Edith Johnson, a sprightly 78-year-old from Florida, is convinced the Russians are stealing her emails.
They're probably after my secret meatloaf recipe.
Edith, you see, was one of the millions who fell victim to the Kournikova virus. One minute she was emailing her granddaughter about her prize-winning begonias. The next, her inbox was emptier than a politician's promise. Edith isn't quite sure what a virus is, but she knows one thing: those darn Russians are up to no good.
It's all connected, man. Microsoft, the virus, Anna Kournikova, it's all part of their plan for world domination. They're controlling our minds, man. Wake up, sheeple.
Chad Conspiracy, a self-proclaimed truth-seeker and connoisseur of tinfoil hats, smells a conspiracy. According to Chad's meticulously crafted conspiracy board, the Kournikova virus was a cleverly disguised ploy by Microsoft to sell more antivirus software. Chad continues to rant, his voice muffled by the tinfoil, a digital Cassandra screaming into the void.
Another day, another virus. Tell them to reboot their computers.
Meanwhile, in the hallowed halls of Microsoft headquarters, Bill Gates barely bats an eyelid. The news of the Kournikova virus is met with a shrug and a tired sigh. Gates, ever the picture of corporate nonchalance, is too busy building an empire to be bothered with a little thing like global digital panic, already turning his attention back to more important matters. The dust settles, the internet breathes a collective sigh of relief, and the world goes back to pretending to understand how computers work. Jan de Wit, the hapless Romeo behind the digital drama, is apprehended. His punishment? A slap on the wrist, 150 hours of community service, and a lifetime ban from using the internet for anything other than looking up recipes for meatloaf. The virus, once a terrifying digital monster, becomes a cautionary tale, a reminder that even the most well-intentioned code can have unintended consequences. So what did we learn from the great Kournikova panic of 2001? It was a wake-up call for many, a stark reminder that the digital world is fraught with hidden dangers. The Kournikova virus, disguised as a photo of the famous tennis star, spread like wildfire, infecting millions of computers worldwide. Firstly, never underestimate the power of a pretty face, especially when it's attached to a virus-laden email. The allure of celebrity and curiosity can often cloud our judgment, leading us to click on things we shouldn't. Secondly, always be wary of anything promising hot pics on the internet, unless it's from your grandma, and she's really proud of her begonias. Scammers and hackers often use enticing subject lines to lure unsuspecting victims into their traps. Most importantly, the Kournikova virus taught us that the internet, for all its wonders, is a chaotic and unpredictable beast. It's a vast, digital landscape where danger lurks behind every click, and nothing is ever as it seems. It's a place where love, viruses, and conspiracy theories collide in a glorious mess of ones and zeros. The internet is a double-edged sword, offering both incredible opportunities and significant risks. So buckle up, dear internet traveler, and remember, always back up your files and never ever trust a file promising pictures of a tennis star. Stay tuned for more Twisted in Time Tuesdays on JI Chronicles, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more historical curiosities and JI-powered fun.